In front of me is HMD XR21 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and click on Clipboard at the top. Then click on this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and go back by clicking on top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. If you want to pin it, click on this pen at the top right corner. Click on your text, select pin icon, to unpin it to exactly the same, and to get rid of it, tap on the pen, click on your sentence and use pin 1. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!